Microsoft makes a massive purchase, the US Navy gets into YouTube, and Walmart is getting into fashion. This is what we're reading. Let's dive in. Why HBO Max's branding guru built his own anti-racist ad agency. Larry Adams, CEO and founder of LVA, a media agency centered around anti-racism, is attempting to transform the way marketing campaigns focus on and target Black Americans. Despite the plethora of new data on Black audiences, some large marketing and advertising agencies continue to target them by relying on outdated studies and sometimes on the trendier parts of Black culture. Microsoft spent $7.5 billion to buy ZeniMax. Microsoft has acquired ZeniMax Media and its game publisher, Bethesda Softworks, in order to incorporate some of the world's largest video game development studios and their game franchises into Microsoft's Xbox Studios, a move that will likely result in Sony's loss of popular games like Doom, Fallout, and The Elder Scrolls. Instead of continuing to struggle in its competition with Sony's gaming platform, PlayStation, Microsoft's acquisition will strengthen the viability and success of Xbox Game Pass, a Netflix-like library of games that boasts 15 million paid users as of this month. How important is an influencer marketing data platform? An influencer marketing data platform gives brands that are running large influencer campaigns access to unique insights based on historical data from previous creator partnerships, the ability to compare creators and specific insights on audience actions. According to psychometric impact studies, influencers' ads are 277% more emotionally intense and 87% more memorable than television ads. The US Navy taps YouTube creators for Sailor Versus recruitment campaign. The US Navy has launched a campaign called Sailor Versus to highlight the diversity of jobs available throughout the Navy, tapping YouTube influencers to aid in its recruitment efforts. As per YouTube, the Navy has found it increasingly difficult to reach young adults via traditional media such as television ads. Walmart launches fashion essentials brand Free Assembly. Walmart is launching a 60-piece fashion brand named Free Assembly that will be available at some 250 Walmart locations and online for around $9 to $45 per piece. Denise Incandela, Senior Vice President of Walmart Women's Group, said that the company has been working to bolster its e-commerce efforts to establish Walmart as a fashion destination, as it's taken over 1,000 brands online. And that's what we're reading. We'll see you next week.